Do you know what is happening with the U.S. Dollar Index right now? U.S. Dollar Index is very, very important because you have 7 forex pairs involving U.S. dollar. And when the U.S. dollar gets strong, some of them goes up and some of them goes down. For example, if U.S. dollar getting strong, then Euro USD will go down, Pound USD will go down, Aussie USD and New USD. And USD franc, USD yen, and USD CAD will go up. And when USD is getting weaker, it's just the opposite. All those first four pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD will be going up, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will go down when USD is getting weaker. So monitoring the US dollar index is very, very important. So this is how I monitor the US dollar. Let me show it to you. This chart I made in January 2017, okay, last year when we were here all over the top, and this is my route, that this is how we're gonna come down to this number here, 91.71. That was my target, final target, but first it's supposed to come down here in this band, couple of horizontal line. These are the numbers, 0219, 0129, right? And we will bounce back up to this number, 0698. Then we will drop straight to 91.71. I don't know if I have the crystal ball or something, but this is how I made the chart, that this will be the route. Watch what happened to this chart. After 8 months, we came down here in the upper level of this band. Then we bounced back exactly where I said it will go back, 0698. Then start to come down straight to 91.71, right? And then bouncing from there. So I said, okay, now what? Next step, we will go up for wave 4 from this wave 3, 91.71. We will bounce and we go back to this area, 38% for wave 4. Look what happened to this chart. All right, so we get there. For wave 4, this nice TL and this and that, blah, 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 38%, right? Then what? I said, okay, we're going to drop here for wave 5, but wave 5 usually goes a little bit beyond wave 3. You all know that, right? So look what happened to this chart. Boom. From wave 4, right here, little wobble, and then all the way down right here, just below this, right? And from there, I made the chart this year, February, that we're going to go up to the TL. And if we break, we will go around this area, 98.48 for wave 8. Look what happened to this chart as of today. Well, the 8. ABC correction, we went there very close to where I said we were. So this is how I am tracking this. And the next chart I already have. It's on my website. And if you want to know where it is going now, then visit my website, myforexmagicwave.com. You have the link below in this video, and click there, and you get to my website, and you see that how not only US dollar index, I track Euro index, Aussie index, yen index, pound index. And what really happened is that, for example, pound index, if I show you the charts, that how easy it is to follow, and when you're following the index, you are making some real good profitable trades. For example, this 29-minute chart, which is equal to 4-hour regular chart, again, wave count, 1, 2, 3, I said we're gonna go up for wave 4 and then come for wave 5. Look what happened to this chart. We went there on the May 9th, we went for the wave 4 and 10th coming down and 10th all the way down here. So when we were going up, pound was getting strong, and again pound USD, pound CAD, pound Aussie, they were all going up. When pound started to drop again, pound pairs went down, including pound Aussie, right? And how did I take advantage of that? For example, when pound Aussie was coming down, all the other pound pairs were coming down, right? So pound Aussie also came down, and when it did, what I did with that is, where my chart go? For pound Aussie. Why it's not here? Alright, forget about that. I'll open this folder and show it to you. And this is pound Aussie on the last Friday. Based on that pound index. This is my entry here on May 9th. Close on May 10th. 260 pips. Straight down all the way. Right? And going down, my system gives you this entry, then you have this entry. Every time this indicator goes to the upside, is an entry here. Beautiful entry here, right? Beautiful entry here, keep coming down. This is the power of index, watching index, individual index. So you just saw that how I track the U.S. dollar index and the pound dollar index, and similarly I'm doing yen index. I'm following yen index step by step. And again, you have 8 or 9 yen pairs, right, where yen is involved. So what happened is, when yen is getting strong, all those yen pairs going down. And you literally have like 8 or 9 pairs to choose from, which one you want to trade. All you gotta do is follow and know exactly what the index is doing. If index is dropping, that the yen index is just the opposite. So if index is dropping, yen is getting strong, and it will be sending all yen pairs to the downside. So you just go and just scan all the yen pairs, which one is going down, and giving you some beautiful magic IB system entries, and you just take those entries one by one, or take one from the top and all the way go down. Pound yen especially my favorite is because pound is weak, and then yen is gonna get strong, and then pound yen is gonna just drop, and then Aussie yen, and because Aussie also is weak. So this is how it is. So if you like what you saw, you go on my website. The link is there in the bottom, and then for the chart, the USDX, where it is going next. Again, you have 7 different pairs. Then if USD gonna get weaker, then you have your USD going up, pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD CAD, USD franc will be going down. So you can judge what's happening and make some beautiful trades like this one. Okay, so this is just wanted to show you USDX. So like I said, if you like, go on my website, subscribe, get these charts, get all these charts set up on your computer, on your MT4, and start trading the way I'm doing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.